Roblox not launching on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to fix the issue of not launching on Android regarding Roblox, first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and tap on the search bar to search for Roblox, just to make sure you have an updated version of Roblox application. So here, as you can see, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Roblox application. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on Roblox application. Now tap on app info, and as you do that, it will land us to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So just tap on clear data and then clear the cache and tap on OK. As you do that, now you can just tap on app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required ones. Now you can just go and relaunch the Roblox application, and this might help you fix your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.